Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel NP Shorthand Dictation. Friends, I am going to dictate you at the speed of 80 words per minute from Progressive Magazine. So, without any more wasting your time, let's start our dictation. So, we ready for the dictation? Start. I feel great pleasure to be with you this morning. This is the first conference of the state ministers in charge of the handloom sector since my government assumed office. At the outset, therefore, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. I have been informed that the All India Handloom Ministers Conference is being held after a long gap. I therefore appreciate the initiative taken by the Textile Minister Sri Rana for convening the meeting. Handloom is an important sector of our country. It is also an important sector of our society if we measure importance in terms of the number of human hands that work in this sector, the longer number of months that depend on this sector, and the social strata to which these families belong. Handloom is the largest unorganized economic activity in India, next only to agriculture. It is an integral part of the rural and semi-rural socio-economic structure. With 3.8 million looms, this sector today provides employment to about 10 million persons, out of which 32% scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Equally revealing is the fact that 60% of those working on handlooms are women. The sector accounts for about one fourth of the total cloth production in the country. Moreover, employment in this sector is spread nearly all over the country. Thus, we see how critical the handloom sector is to the stimulatious realization of several seemingly disparate national objectives: employment generation, rural development, social justice, and empowerment, women's welfare, preservation and promotion of artisanry, and checking the migration of rural families to urban areas. Even a small but significant improvement in the economy of the handloom sector will result in tangible progress in all these directions. Hence, the first thought I would like to convey to the participants of this gathering is, let's all of us keep in mind the centrality of the handloom sector in our overall economic management. All too often in this country, those who are unorganized also end up being uncarded for. If we want to see India as a caring nation, if we want our governments to be seen as caring governments, then we must begin to deal with this sector with far greater attention, empathy, and accountability than has been the case so far. The national agenda for governance, which is the policy has clearly proclaimed our commitment to the handloom sector, which shall help this sector. So friends, ये टोटल 400 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है और 80 की स्पीड्स पे मैटर था। सो आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा और अगर आपको ये मैटर अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए। और अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं, या आप अगर कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बता सकते हैं कि मैं वो प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूँगी। तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।